how to add a new user to your Google Ads account. Now, if you want to learn more about Google Ads and how to do various things in Google Ads, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, because I do produce weekly content, and let me know what type of things you would like to learn about Google Ads. Before I do continue, there'll be a link somewhere below this video, and you can get this book shipped right to your door for free. The only thing you need to cover is the postage and packaging. It's called How to Win Customers with Google Ads, and it shows you everything that you need to do in order to create successful Google Ads campaigns right from the beginning. So let's jump into it right now. So what you can see here is just a test Google Ads account that I've created. So if I want to add a new user to my Google Ads account, because maybe somebody wants to take a look on my Google Ads account for various reasons, either they would want, they could be your boss, or they could want to manage your Google Ads account, or they might want to see the billing details and so on. What you do is you simply click on the tools and settings here, and then you go scroll down to access and security. And this is where you can add your users onto it. Okay, so in order to do this, you click on the plus sign, but just before you do click onto the plus sign, you may need to click onto security here, because there's something here called allowed domains. Now, if the person that you're adding has got a certain domain name like abc.com, you may need to add their domain in first before they can get access to the account. Okay, so to do that, you simply click on here and just type in their domain name over here and click on add account, and then you click on save. So once that's done, you can go to users, and then you simply click on this blue plus symbol here. Now, then you enter their email address in this email address box over here. Now, the key thing is that you've got to remember to give them the right level of access. So there's various levels of access that you can give to them. Okay, so I'd avoid giving admin access unless you absolutely trust them, because by giving admin access, they've got all your billing details and they've got so much more details. They can add users and so on. Okay, so with email is the least amount of access that they get, and you can even choose what type of access they get. For example, disapproved ads and alerts. Okay, so if you click that, this person will only get emails if you get disapprovals or policy alerts and so on. And then we cancel that. Oops, let's go straight back into it again. And then you got billing, and with billing, if you click that, then they've only got access to view billing information and edit billing information. Then you got read-only access. So we commonly use this so that when we take on a customer, and let's say, for example, if we want to do an audit on the Google Ads account, we simply say, hey, just give us read-only access, because we don't want to change anything on your account. We simply want to look at your account only, so read-only. So you select that. A standard user is the most common one, whereby they get most accesses, except they can't add users and manage users, and then you get admin. And then simply click on send invitation. And then what will happen is that this person will get an email saying, hey, you've been invited to be a user of this Google Ads account. Do you accept it? They simply click on accept, and they've got access to your Google Ads account. And that's it for now. It's a short video just to show how to add users onto your Google Ads account, because it's a very common question that I get asked. And do remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button, and if there is anything particular that you want to learn, let me know in the comments below. Also, in the comments below, there's a whole lot of other links and resources which will help you to manage your Google Ads account. There's other links to my other social media. There's some free resources, and again, there's the link whereby you can get this book, How to Win Customers with Google Ads, shipped right to your door. The only thing you got to do is to cover the postage and packaging. We have taken on all the other costs of getting the book created. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you on another show. Goodbye for now.